Hey, what's up, guys? So what's up, guys? I want to just go over my ZX10 airflow or air intake from front to rear through the ram air and everything I've done to optimize it. I feel like that I've done as much as I can do without actually going into the head and touching the head work or doing some porting or anything like that. And I just want to cover it. But before I do, I just want to say, if you want to see more videos like this, like and subscribe to my channel. Follow me, just like and subscribe. I'm going to be putting out a lot of videos like this. I'm going to try to keep them short just because of attention span and we'll just say production value. I try to get to the points without a lot of fanfare, I don't know. But anyway, so let me go over that. I just want to show you everything that I've done to optimize the intake on this 2011 ZX10. All right, so I'm going to go over this intake. I got this from a company in Germany. MWR makes the same one. And if you look at Superbike Unlimited and World Superbike, they run the MWR one. I bought this one because it was cheaper and I like the design better than the MWR. So it's actually a monster compared to the stock one. So that's the first thing I did. Second thing is I have taped my box. This is the duct insulation with the aluminum tape. So it reflects and insulates. I've done that. Below the box, let me take this off. So I have the WSBK, MWR at WSBK funnels, or not, sorry, the air filter. And one thing I want to point out, as I've done in videos past, is if you look at this front area, you can see how the air coming through here actually will empty directly into the funnels. Velocity stacks. So I have the MWR WSBK, freshly oiled, freshly cleaned. Velocity stacks. This, I have modified my velocity stacks. I'm not going to tell you what I did, but if you look, you will see smart ones or people who look at a fat one. There's enough here where I've shown you and there's nothing else hidden. I don't know if it works. Like I said in another video, if you dyno and this is garbage, please let me know. But I have not changed the height or anything like that. So in theory, it should provide a boost because it allows them to suck more air from more area. But dyno would tell for sure. All right. Other than that, in addition, as I've covered, I have the Airbox Mod. Take a good look, because follow this series, because you'll see what people pay good money to get done. To take a good look, and let me also cover that the gold tape or the tape inside was to smooth it out. I know it goes on the outside and I know it has no value on the inside, but other than looks, I mean, hey, it does kind of look cool. But so I just want to cover that. The other thing that I did is I've made a good seal up here around where the box actually meets the frame. That seal's about the best I've ever had. It's because I'm not using that soft foam that Kawasaki supplies. But I think that's about it. I'm getting ready to put this back together. Track day coming up. I'm actually somewhat glad that I didn't get a thin head gasket in, because I'm going to actually be able to get a better idea of did the Airbox Mod or how much it helped. But like I said, I don't think you can get much better than this on the intake side of a Kawasaki Gen 4 or Gen 5 ZX10. The Airbox is different on the Gen 5 Plus, but I think this will actually, I think I'm going to actually get some horsepower out of this just by doing this. I mean, I finally have optimized it front to rear. And one thing that I've managed to do every time I've had this apart in the last year or two is have the airbox venting from a plug I forgot to put on, or a hose that didn't get connected. But now my airbox is completely sealed, optimized front to rear, insulated finally. Actually looking forward to getting this thing back on track. Till then, talk to you later.